How to use Expedia Points feature 2026. To use your Expedia Points, you can now use the unified OneKey Rewards program as OneKey Cash. You must apply your balance directly at the checkout on eligible Pay Now bookings. Your old reward points have automatically or will be automatically converted into cash value that can be now shared across Expedia, Hotels.com, and Vibro. To redeem your OneKey Cash, you simply have to launch your device's web browser or simply launch the Expedia application. Then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you can check your balance or your available funds. When picking a hotel or rental car, you must choose the Pay Now option instead of Pay at Property to use your points. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.